Hey, how's it going? Do I have a special treat for you in honor of Bob Ross's birthday, and it's also Winona Ryder's birthday today, October 29th. We have a special unboxing here. So for Winona Ryder's birthday, my family got me a brand new silicone project mat from Rockler. So you see I've got this old one, and this is probably 10 years old. It's got some wear and tear. You can see it's got some burns and some super glue stuck to it. I've cut through it a few times. It's definitely lasted, and I don't want to get rid of this one. But, yeah, we got a new one. These project mats are fantastic. This one is 30 inches by 15. It's an 1/8 inch thick, and it's silicone, so it doesn't have any memory. I haven't taken it out of the box yet. I just opened it for easy access. And we can just open it up, and it rolls out flat. Let's get rid of the box there. Look at that. Look at how vibrant that is. In honor of the day, I also put a couple coats of paste wax on the old workbench there, just so I can church the place up a little bit for you. So how does that look? Oh, that looks fantastic. Yeah, so that's the new Rockler mat. But wait, it gets even better. Check this out. Does my family love me or what? Because they also got the XL silicone project mat. This is 23.5 by 30.25, 1/8 inch thick. You can see here that it can be interlocked, so if you have a big work surface. And I love how it says it's perfect for protecting your workbench or dining room table while working on projects. So I might have to test that out. After all, my wife did get it for me, so we'll have to see if the dining room table holds up to the projects with the mat on it. So we'll just open this up and take a look at it. See how it compares to the other one. And again, it's silicone. And my wife got this with her own money, so it's not sponsored video or anything like that. But I'll post a link down below to these things if you want to take a look at it. Oh, wow. So let's see how this fits on the workbench here. Maybe it's a little big. It does hang out a little bit, but I think I could probably cut it down to size. I really like that. It covers pretty much the whole workbench surface. So what do you guys think? You think we go with the OG Rockler Silicone Mat? Or do we trim down the extra large and go with the extra large silicone mat? Let me know what you think. And then we also got this handy thing. I have some epoxy projects and some silicone projects coming up. So let's take a look at this guy. See what this comes with. So this is the silicone mixing tool set. I'll post that so you can see that. It's got all the tools you need to mix casting resins, plus easy cleanup for use. We're about to pen making season here at An Arm and a Greg, so we'll be making a lot of pens. So we decided to try mixing our own epoxy pen blanks or acrylic pen blanks. So let's see what we got here. It does come with a silicone mat for mixing. This is fantastic for keeping your other mats clean. And then it comes with a metal mixing spoon, probably for putting in pigments and mica powders. Comes with 2 mixing spatulas, and I love these. I got some smaller versions of this that I use for mixing epoxy, even JB Weld, and the epoxy and JB Weld just come right off of this. So they're fantastic for mixing. No more hunting around for popsicle sticks or an old piece of discarded wood, toothpicks or whatever. These little silicone paddles are fantastic for mixing that stuff. They even got the Rockler logo on them. It can be hung from a pegboard. I love it. We got this smaller black. It's got 2 flat sides for mixing. It's pretty stiff. It might be metal or something in there for mixing. It comes with another one of those. Wow, this is pretty high quality stuff. I like it. And then, of course, it comes with a pair of Rockler tweezers. I don't know if I'll use those, but pretty handy to have in the shop for splinters. These are round tip. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, gosh. Anyway, yeah, so in honor of Bob Ross and Winona Ryder, we have some new, for their birthdays, we got a new present here. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll post links to all this stuff down below. As always, thanks for watching.